Hi, I'm Bonnie Fleshman with Douglas Realty. Let's talk about the difference between pre-qualification and an approval. Because getting this right could save you thousands of dollars. We've helped hundreds of buyers avoid costly mistakes, and I want to make sure you're protected too. Pre-qualification versus approval. A pre-qual is just the first step in the loan process. It's an informal discussion with your loan officer where you just provide them basic information about your finances, but nothing's verified. An approval, on the other hand, is much more thorough. It involves submitting all the necessary documents like your tax returns, your employment history, bank statements, and anything else the lender wants to verify. With an approval, you'll know exactly how much you're approved to borrow, which loan product is the best for you, what your potential interest rate will be, and it's very important. An approval matters because it gives you a realistic view of your budget, so there's no surprise. Without it, you risk losing your earnest money deposit, inspection fees, appraisal costs. It's essential to have this security to protect yourself from unexpected setbacks. We've got your back. Don't fall into the pre-qual trap. Call us and we'll walk you through the safest, most strategic way to become a homeowner. Remember, we're here to protect your best interests every step of the way. I'm Bonnie Fleshman, Douglas Realty, for the best move of your life.